Mama, this past week was hell for me. I felt like quitting the job. Mama, it's too hard for one person. The job is too difficult.
My son, if you quit your job now, what will you resort to? You will come back home and be picking firewood and selling at the market on market days, kobo toro toro. Eh? Woman di onu. Eh? O tekwana aka o jide njọ dị mma. Biko.
Mama, it's okay. You don't have to plead with me. I won't quit anymore.
Thank you.
Someone already gave me all the encouragement I need. So I decided to move on, and there's no going back.
Someone?
Yes, Mama.
Who is this someone?
Mama, someone very kind. Someone full of wisdom, love, and understanding. She's an angel in human form.
Who is this angel? What is the angel's name?
Mama, don't worry, you meet her very soon.
What does she do in the palace?
Mama, she works in the palace as one of the palace maidens, but a senior one.
Interesting.
She's a senior palace maid.
Interesting.
Mom, I'm super excited, you know. Prince Ajuba of Ezani Kingdom will be visiting me today in the palace.
I'm not getting something straight here.
What are you not getting straight?
What is going on?
Okay. What is going on is that I will be hosting Prince Ajuba of Ezani Kingdom. You are free to call it royal visits.
So what is the excitement in his visit?
You're asking? The excitement is that he's coming to see me, a prince, a royal prince.
Coming to see you as what?
Mom. Huh?
Because I already know you've introduced Chike to your father as your fiancé. So why are you so excited? Why are you so full of butterflies as though he is your lover?
Mom, the last time I checked, I am not married to Chike, or am I?
Meaning?
Meaning that I am super single, ready to mingle, until I tangle with my soulmate. Yes. Mom, listen. Stop being dramatic. What is there not for you to understand? Wake up to reality, okay? It's not like your days. As far as I'm not married to Chike, and I'm single, I am free to date other men till I say I do.
Strange. Really strange.
Maybe to you, yes. But to me, no. You better wake up to 21st century realities. You should be happy for me.
Don't touch me.
Oh, stop being dramatic. I've not done anything wrong, have I? You guys know you have to remove them. You have to find where to put them. Okay? They must not be here. And now look at these ones. Now guys, listen to me. I need everywhere to be properly swept. Okay? And thoroughly arranged. You get me? Yes, all these things, I don't need them. Look at all these things. You've done what? You've done what and all these things are here. What did you do? What did you do? Better get back to work. Guys, when was the last time these glasses were cut?
My princess, it's been long, since the days of Amobi, the former gatekeeper.
Go call the new gatekeeper for me.
Yes, my princess.
What? You guys better be kidding me because this is not happening. Like, what? So, this is it. You guys do absolutely nothing in this house. The only thing you know is to eat, eat, and eat. Nothing. You don't do anything.
Hey, where is he? Where is he? Where is this boy? Get man! Get man! Get man!
Don't you have respect? Eh? Is this how you greet your elders in your village? Don't you know I'm supposed to be your elder brother? Eh? Did the king not make it clear that my name is Obinna?
Okay, I'm not here to discuss with you. The princess sent me to come and call you. Akeina Akokwa.
The princess?
No, the prince.
I can see you don't have manners.
After all, I'm better than your sisters.
Mr. Man, were you not told that part of your job includes you cutting these grasses as at when due? Were you not told?
Ma?
Don't mommy shit. You hear that? Were you not told that part of your job includes you cutting these grasses as at when due?
I was told.
And then what happened?
I didn't know it was time.
Oh,
yes.
You didn't know it was time?
I didn't know it was.
You didn't know it was time? Now listen to me. You are a fool.
Yes, ma'am.
You are mad.
Yes, ma'am.
Your generation are fools.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you know it,
yes,
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now get busy. Go get your tools and I need this place cleaned within the next 15 minutes.
Consider it done.
Now move. Fool. Rats. What's funny? Wait. Did I just hear any cri-cri? No, what's funny? Now you both get busy. Get busy! Move it! Idiots. I need everywhere clean today within the next 15 minutes and I do not want to repeat myself for any reason in this house. Mad people everywhere. Mad people. Gosh. And as for you, foolish gatesman, remember to pack this firewood. I do not want to see them here again. Hush! I hate you! I hate you!
Security man.
Yes, Onye?
Sorry.
Dama.
So sorry, please. Where can I find a cutlass? I want to clear off the grasses.
Where can you find a cutlass?
Yes.
You want to clear the grasses. You're very stupid.
Huh?
You are an idiot for asking me such a question.
What have I done?
What have you done? You asked me what you have done. So for how long you've been in this palace, you don't know where the weeding machine is. And you're asking me where can you find the cutlass.
I didn't know there was a weeding machine. I don't know where to find that. If I knew, I wouldn't ask you for it.
Now you have asked me. I don't know. Look at this dirty gate man. Asking me where can he find the cutlass in this palace.
Like he doesn't know.
Oh, I don't know. If I knew where to find, I wouldn't be asking.
Are you for real?
Yes, I don't know.
Obina, what is it?
I only asked for a cutlass.
Now you're supposed to be
I don't know where
Come
to...
with me, don't worry.
Here, that is a weeding machine. Use it instead.
Ah. Oh, okay. But I don't know how to use it.
Oh, okay, no problem. Just bring it out. I'll teach you how to use it.
Okay. Wait, can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
Why do your friends hate me?
They are not my friends. They're just my colleague. We happen to just be working here together. Look, you must know that in this world, nobody owes you any love and affection, okay?
That's true, that's true. That's true.
Bring the machine.
Okay, thank you.
Some people can mumu. Some people can mumu. Look at what he's doing.
Because of your position, you just play wickedness. Wanna for because of your position, you just play wickedness. Wanna for tell me, remember tomorrow day. And where we fall, and I fall for and where we fall, Mary, and I fall for Ojiro for woman, and I for Mary Faje, Megide, and where we fall, Mary, and I fall for Ojiro for woman, and I for Mary Faje, Megide, wait! And I fall for Ojiro for woman, for Mary Faje, Megide. I want you to remember, I want you to know, this world is turn by turn, it's turn by turn. Okukochi, Geyigwa Wacha.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Nothing lasts forever.
My praise. You're welcome.
My princess is looking truly like the princess she is.
I'm flattered. Thank you.
You are indeed the fairness of 10,000. Your beauty shines more brightly.
Oh my
That
God.
strength of the rising sun. An epitome of the morning dews. The effulgence of the glory of a million stars in the dark sky.
My praise. You know I'm very shy, right? Please, stop already.
Come on, your beauty is even more than what I'm even describing you with. Yes.
Thank you for the compliments.
You're most welcome, my princess.
Can we go in now, please?
Yes, but I must warn you about the security of your compound. The king, the queen, you and everyone in this place are vulnerable to danger and to evil men.
What are you talking about, please, my love?
Your security man opened the gate without thoroughly investigating on whom was coming. And this is my first time of coming to this place. If I was a criminal, I would have gained entrance to this palace so easily.
Oh my God, not again. That's okay, my love. Don't let him spoil your mood. You actually came to see me. You know he's new here, but notwithstanding, I promise you I am going to deal with him for his uselessness. I promise you. Okay? Don't let him spoil your mood. Can we go in now?
You know the life of the king depends on his closest man. So they say. It behoves on him to choose wisely who he appoints to these sensitive offices. Let's go.
What is the problem? You look tensed.
Mom, I actually made sure everything was perfect. You know, gosh, I didn't want him coming to this place and meeting some lapses.
But there is no lapses.
That was what I thought, Mom. That was what I thought until he told me how carefree and careless that useless gate man, the so-called security man, is.
Calm down.
Can you imagine?
Exactly happened.
No, Mom. Like, I wouldn't know where you and that picked that fool from. You know? Can you imagine? He actually opened the gates for Prince Ajiba without trying to find out who he was first. Not like he's a regular face here. You know, the young man is so shocked at his behavior. He could have been a kidnapper, an armed robber or something. And that was how he would have given them a free entrance to this palace without proper interrogation. And you know what that means for all of us in this palace.
It's okay, but that shouldn't spoil your day.
Mom, listen to me. It has already spoiled my day. It has. First impression matters a lot. I'm so embarrassed on oh my God.
You know what you do right now? Just go and make sure that he's happy for the rest of his stay in this palace.
Mom, where and how did you guys employ that fool from? That boy is just a joy killer. He just ruined my day.
It's okay.
Mom, listen to me. Listen to me. I swear by the gods, I am going to skin him alive. I'll kill him. I swear.
You know what? Attend to your visitor first. Go. Adese.
Every minute I spent here was worth it.
Wow.
I love everything. Most especially the atmosphere here. The serenity is amazing.
Oh, wow. I'm pleased to hear that. Thank you so much.
Before I forget, your cook is the best cook in the world.
Oh, wow. Thank you. She will hear.
Yes, I wish I would come back next time, but...
Of course, my love. There is no but. You are going to come back again, again, and again.
You can say it again. Okay, I will be on my way now.
Okay.
Even though it doesn't feel like.
Don't worry. Obina! Where is that fish? Obina, open the gates!
You see, this is your gate man. This is your gate man. You need to be replaced with another or be taught the job thoroughly. You see, your life, your security is paramount to you and to the entire royal family. Yes.
I know, my love. Like I said to you earlier, I will personally see to it.
Very important. Yeah. Very important.
So, open the gate, fool!
So are you coming back? Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. He said he's coming back.
Okay.
What?
Hoping now, whatever they call you, I came to find out from you if you were sent to this palace on a mission to always ruin my happiness. Were you?
Huh?
What? Are you mad? No, do I look like a joke to you?
I don't understand.
Do I look like a joke to you?
No.
Why would you open the gates to a total stranger without first trying to verify who he is? Why?
But my princess, yesterday I tried to verify your boyfriend's name. You slapped me. Eh?
Obina, you are a fool.
Yes, ma.
Repeat after me.
Huh?
Say you are a fool.
You are a fool, ma.
Who is a fool, Obina? You mad? I say you are senseless. And listen to me, thunder will fire you, for always stressing my life.
Thank you, ma.
God will destroy you, Obina.
Thank you, ma.
Obina,
Ma?
was that the reason I hit you up yesterday?
Yes, ma. You slapped me 2 times.
Obina.
Ma?
God. How can you compare Chike that frequents this palace to Prince Ajuba who just came here today? How?
Ma, they look alike, ma.
Now you say they look alike.
Yes.
How? How? I'm tired of you. I don't even know what to do with
I'm sorry,
you.
my...
I hate you! Don't sorry me! Don't sorry me! I hate it! Don't! I hate you!
It won't happen again, ma.
You have to be patient with people around you.
No, father. He ruined my day.
What are you talking about? He didn't. The prince was very happy.
No, mother. The prince complained bitterly about the boy's ineffectiveness.
But you have taken the necessary steps. You have corrected and scolded him.
Mother, it's not still enough.
So what are you planning to do?
I want the boy sacked!
Oh, my beloved daughter. It is only the king that has such right in this palace. You don't.
As the princess of this kingdom, I have such right to sack anybody that misbehaves here.
You don't, my dear.
No. You don't have such powers, my dear. Yes. It is for you to suggest. Suggest. Then I will take the decision. I will decide whether to listen to what you have suggested or not to. As for the boy in question, the boy at the gate, I do not see any justifiable reason for his sack. So he remains. The boy is both humble and obedient, and he takes corrections easily.
Exactly.
Huh?
Exactly.
Good. This issue is closed.
Darling, what do we call this?
Nothing.
And listen to me. You see, the reason you are still doing all these things and still remains in this palace is because my father the king seems to be adamant about your stupid behaviors. And my mother too seems to be on your side. Only God knows what you must have done to them. But listen to me. I have a very bad news for you. My brother, the prince, will soon return. And when he does, we shall find out whether you will remain in this palace or not. Whatever you must have been using on them, be ready. Be ready!
God is my witness. I have done nothing wrong to you.
Hey, hey! What? My darling, if you see what happened today, the princess beat up that gate man today. She beat the gate man. Hey! Obinna. Who else? That stupid dirty gate man. Yes, na! Obinna. What happened? I don't know what happened today, but I heard it's about the prince's visit, that the gate man almost ruined the princess' day, and she dealt with the gate man. She beat the gate man. You need to see.
Is it not better they just sack this boy and employ someone that is competent for this job?
Exactly my point. That boy is almost too much.
Oh.
Boyfriend, Bini. Get busy, boyfriend.
Pinna, are you okay? You're crying.
Please, let's talk some other time. I'm not in the mood to talk to anyone. Please.
Okay. Okay. But take it easy on yourself, okay? Okay? Sorry.
What is going on?
Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing, my princess.
See yourself. Listen to me. I will so deal with you in this palace to the point where you have no choice but willingly pack your things, run, and leave this job. It's a promise.
But
Fool! What are you doing there? No, come back here now. Come and stay. Idiots.
my princess, can I ask you something? What have I done to you? Have I done anything wrong to you?
Yes. I hate you.
Huh?
I just simply hate your presence in this palace.
Just like that.
And you disgust me. Everything about you. Better leave this job in peace. Else, I will make you leave it in pieces. And I hope you don't want that. Just leave the job. You're not wanted here. It's very simple.
My life is not tied to this palace. I'll just go back to my mother in the village. Huh? No, I was talking to myself. I'll just go back to my mother in the village. My life is not tied here. After all, I even enjoyed the village more than this place.
This is just too much for one man. What has he done to deserve such hatred and anger? This is just too much. I pray he gets out of this. I pray he doesn't lose hope on his newly found job. I just pray, but why is the princess so hard on him? Is there something they are not telling us? Something deeper than it appears on the surface? Yes, I must find out.
So tell me, what exactly did you do this time?
She sent for me and asked me why I did not cut the grass. So I told her I didn't know the grasses were due for trimming. She slapped me and told me to go and trim it. So I went to the backyard. I was trimming the grass when I heard a honk outside the gate. So I rushed to open the gate. But the mistake I made was not asking who the person was before I opened the gate. So the person came in. But before that time, we were already expecting an August visitor who came to see the princess. So she came and said, why didn't I ask for the person's name before allowing the person into the palace? But I didn't do that because it was the same mistake I made the other time. She had a guest, and as the security person in this place, I went out to do my job, to carry out my duties, to ask for his name before letting him into the palace. When I did that, the princess and the boyfriend almost killed me, so I didn't want to repeat the same mistake. I allowed the second person inside without asking his name because I don't want trouble. She came and slapped me again and asked me why didn't I ask for his name before letting him into the palace. So I'm just confused. When I do something, she wants me to do the opposite.
Hey, can you imagine?
I don't understand what is going on. I'm beginning to think she consciously does this thing to get me angry. Because if I do something now, if she asks me to do something, she still wants me to do it the other way around. And when I do it the other way around, she wants me to do it the opposite way. What do I do? I'm just tired.
Obina, let me ask you. Have you had anything with the princess before now? Like, anything at all?
Huh?
Yes.
How?
You know, have you had an encounter where maybe has she told you she likes you or giving you green lights and you're not responding? I don't know. Okay, just asking.
Are you by any chance saying the princess likes me?
I don't know. I don't know now because...
How can the princess like me?
Are you not a human being?
Did you see?
I just don't understand, okay? I don't understand why she picks up at you at every little thing. She just wants to, you know,
She wants me to leave her father's house, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. Yes.
Obinna, why did you come to this palace? Yes, why are you here?
I came here to lift the financial burden on my widowed mother. Yes.
That's good. So, have you saved enough money for this purpose?
I'm about to start, but she doesn't want me to work here anymore.
Obinna, the road to success is not easy. The road to success is not easy at all. Look, there will be bombs. Lots of them. But you have to remain focused. Because that is the only way you will achieve success. If you start letting all these little distractions on the way deviate your mind from your main goal, then you will not make it. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Understand.
Good. Be strong, okay? I'm going to bed now. Good night.
Okay. Thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate it, alright?
You're welcome.
I would have given you a hug, but there are cameras everywhere.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go to bed.
Okay. Good night.
Mama, I want you to meet this girl. She means everything to me. She's actually one of the reasons why I haven't quit the job.
How do I meet her?
Mama, she goes home every weekend. So I want to arrange with her so that both of you can meet next week.
Where?
Mama, here of course. I'm sure she won't hesitate to meet you.
Apart from being a source of encouragement to you, are you two into any serious relationship?
Mama, the truth is, I have not been able to express myself to her. But I think I love her. But sometimes I am afraid. I feel like she's too good to end up with a common palace gateman like me.
Okay. Well, don't tell her anything yet, okay? Don't let her know how you feel. If both of you are meant for each other, things will fall into place naturally. Oh?
Mama, Mama, I'm ready to go.
Ifunanya, wait. Please.
Mama, please. I'm late. I don't want to start talking long talk. You know how you talk. The king will give me query.
No, my dear. I won't take your time. Oh?
Okay. What is it?
My daughter, I forgot to ask you about that new boy at the palace. How is he coping with his new job?
Mama, it's not been easy for that boy.
Hi.
It's not been easy for him at all. That boy has been going through a lot, especially in the hands of the princess. I still don't understand why she hates him so much. Mama, do you know that the boy is so depressed to the point that he told me he wanted to quit the job. But after talking to him and advising him, decided to stay back.
Good. My daughter, I want to tell you something. Always be the reason someone else is happy. Be his companion over there. Eh? A shoulder for him to rest on in times of this stress. Eh? Good. On no account will you join the people at the palace to despise him. For anything you do to make someone happy, nature doesn't forget it easily.
Okay, Mama.
Just be strong.
Thank you, Mama.
Make him happy. Bye bye, Ada. Hey. You know what is happening to this smile? Oh, listen. You see, Mama, it's like I'm going to pour more money. I'm going to get more money on it. Hey. Okay.
Iyke, you must not be that rude. If you don't want to help the boy, just tell him. You mustn't insult him.
Ifunanya, please, I don't have time for that rubbish. I don't have time. If you have come here to discuss about boyfriend and girlfriend issue with me, because me, Iyke baby, I don't want to take part of that. Please don't put me on. I take God and beg you, leave me.
Boyfriend, girlfriend, Regina. What's the hate for? Why do you hate this boy so much? What has it done to you, Iyke? Look, that boy could be your brother tomorrow.
Oh, God forbid, he can never be my brother. A dirty gate man, be my brother. Don't in your life compare that gate man with my brother. My brother cannot stoop so low to just be a gate man. Never. See, in your life, don't dare compare your stupid boyfriend with my brother, please.
Please, don't speak to me that way. Don't start insulting me too.
You want to deny it? You want to deny it as you denied it in front of Igwe the last time. Hey, Funanya, you want to deny it? Leave that thing. We they see you. All this crooked movement they do for night, Funanya. We they see you. We just they keep you quiet. We they see you.
No. They think we are blind.
Oh,
we are fools.
My sister, we are not blind though, and we are not fools.
I am just disappointed in both of you. Sincerely.
Hey, we are so disappointed in you for being so cheap and stupid. You're being so cheap. You fell for the wrongest person. A poor gatesman. Come on, gatesman.
Do you know what? I will just leave both of you. Excuse me.
You're leaving. Mbano. If Unaya come back, come and fight me. Come and exchange words with me. You think you know how to talk? Useless thing. Cheap yeah. Hey. You too much. I'll pay for that get you. She knows mad.
Obina.
What is that?
Obina. Sorry.
Hey.
Ma? Good morning, ma. Good afternoon. Ma? I was at the back. I was weeding the flowers. I was cutting the grass. They are grown.
Is that why you left the gate?
I didn't leave the gate open, ma.
Did you just say you didn't leave the gate?
No. What I meant was I can see the gate from the back and I can hear the
Hear yourself.
Ma?
You can see the gate from the back.
No, I'm sorry, ma.
Why did you leave the gate?
Sorry, I didn't leave the gate, ma. I said I was...
How many times will I warn you never to use those words on me? I hate them as much as I hate you.
I'm sorry, ma.
I hate you.
I'm sorry, ma.
Don't tell me that again. Listen to me. I'm going out now and you're going to open this gate and close it. Once you close it, you are going to come back here and kneel down under the sun. You are not going to stand up until I am done with whatever it is I am going out there to do. Listen to me. If you ever stand up without my permission,
I am going to make you see the darker side of me.
I'm on my duty. Don't despise me. I'm doing my job just to earn a living. 'Cause I know the syrup was not pure, just a day. Remember, say, a patient dog eat the fattest bone. Oh, all the good things that you see never come easy. Just say,
what is it? Why are you kneeling down?
The princess asked me to kneel down.
Why?
Because I was weeding the grass. She asked me to weed the grass. Then she honked. I think she was on her way out. I delayed to open the gate and she asked me to kneel down. I didn't do anything wrong.
Hey, this is bad now. This is wickedness. This is inhuman.
What is it?
Your Majesty, I am not supposed to bother you with this particular issue.
What issue are you talking about?
Your Majesty, please. I don't want it to look as if I am interfering in the princess' life.
What are you saying?
Your Majesty, I am not supposed to be telling you this, but necessity have constrained me to saving a suffering soul.
Listen, if you're not ready to end this game of suspense and hit the nail on the head, I will be left with no other option than to walk you out of my presence
I'm
now.
sorry, Your Majesty, I'm very sorry. It's just that I don't know why the princess hates that boy Obinna so much.
Has she done any other thing to that boy apart from the previous ones?
Yes, Your Majesty.
What?
You won't believe that that boy has been kneeling down under the sun for the past 3 hours.
What?
Your Majesty.
How long have you been kneeling down here?
Ma?
I said, for how long have you been kneeling down here?
Since morning, the princess left the palace.
What was your offense?
Ma?
I said, what offense did you commit?
I was at the back weeding the flowers, and the driver honked twice. I was rushing to open the gate and she asked me to kneel down here until she comes back.
Get up.
Huh?
I said, get up now.
She said I should be here until she comes back.
Oh, I said, get up and go straight to your duty post. Now.
I should...
You heard me very well, right? Go back to your duty post.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Ikedieze.